Say, come on, Auntie. Yeah, say, come on, Auntie.
Come on, Lizzie. Bye-bye, train.
She's like, wait, I want to hold on to this one. Ooh, does a seat come up too?
Let's see. Nope. Uh-oh. New hiding place for mommy's and daddy's keys.
Okay. Close. Open. Close. Open. Close.
Scares me.